Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You know it's gonna be a good one when I got the bushcraft sweater on and the 150 to 600 from Sigma. So today we're out here in an absolute labyrinth of woods trails. Me and my brother explored it a tiny bit the other day for only about an hour, and you follow this main trail and then about every 200 meters there's a new trail that veers off. He was telling me he got severely lost here one day. This spot is also an awesome bird sanctuary, so we're gonna get out there, explore, hopefully get some pics, maybe some POV. It's gonna be a great day. So right now we're in the pretty tame part of these woods, but as we get further in, it gets more and more overgrown with larger, older trees. So I'm hoping once I get deep in there, I should be able to find maybe some owls, some deer, different stuff like that, but we'll have to wait and see. Wow. Guys, when I was checking eBird for this location, it had almost as many sightings as the marsh that I typically go to. And that marsh has tons of people. I would say upwards of 10 eBirders that go there every day. And this place looks pretty well dead. So for it to have just as many sightings, but not have as many people go there, is pretty interesting. This is what I'm excited for. Look at these overgrown forests. And this is our first veer off in the trail. I'll tell you what, I think I'm gonna take it. Oh, this place is beautiful. Look at the fern coverage over the bottom of the forest here. Tell you what guys, I've been hiking for probably about 20-25 minutes, and I've only seen one person on a bike, and I've already come to probably 15 crossroads in the trail. So if I were to go back the way I came, I'd have to remember what turn I took 15 times. So I don't remember that, so I'm just kind of out here. But I mean, the birds are singing, I'm walking. This is good, and I see some kind of opening in the trees. I might go take a look at that. All right, we've arrived at the opening. Whoa! That is a lot of sand. Holy, check that out. Wow! That is open. We're not here for sand though, we're here for trees and birds and stuff. So I'm gonna head back in. That's pretty cool though. Tell you what, it looks like we're coming up to the water's edge here. Tell you what, look how open that is out there. And as well in the river, I just saw a mama duck with a bunch of her babies. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Nothing but grass, as far as the eye could see. It's pretty sweet. Right here, right now. Some kind of hawk. It just flew up into a tree. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of head that direction, hopefully not scare it. Okay, it's right here. I'm gonna see if I can put this in POV.
That was crazy. Wow, I don't know if I caught that part on GoPro. He was up on the branch and I watched him looking down and he dove in and grabbed something to eat. And then I got a couple pictures of him on the ground. Oh, I still see him. I still see him through the trees. It's real dark in there, but I'll see if I can get anything else. There he is through the trees right now. Guys, I'm really excited. I think I got some good ones. You know, guys, it's funny. I was gonna say earlier that I'm surprised there's not more large birds of prey around here, considering how many chipmunks, squirrels, and easy small game there is. Everywhere you look, you see a little baby chipmunk. But I guess I don't have to say that anymore because they're clearly here. Whoa. There was just a chipmunk right there. Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy. Oh, I don't know. That was funny. Chipmunk right next to my head as I'm talking about how there's so many chipmunks. I'll tell you what, guys, what a beautiful spot, eh? I'm so happy too that I got that hawk and then the chipmunk as well in the tree. It might have been squirrel. I'm not sure if it's squirrel or chipmunk, but that was awesome too. Gotta say, not the best spot for shooting smaller birds because the trees are really high and they often go up there. Hard to see them, so I'd say the marsh is probably better for that. But wow, that bird of prey, I think it was a hawk. That's just amazing. Tell you what, guys, just a short one, but I think I'm gonna end this video here. You guys take it easy, and I hope to see you in the next one. Hey guys, I know I just said I was gonna end the video, but there's something weird out here. It's like a groundhog or something. Some big squirrel looking thing. I don't even know what it is. See that? See it on my picture? Looks like a beaver or something. I don't even know what you call it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go look. There it is. It's letting me get close too. It doesn't even care. What is this machine? There it goes. Hey, buddy. He's too close. I don't even think I can focus. Oh, there he goes. Ending it for real now. You guys have a good one. See you in the next one.